Hello friends, this is Deepika from Nothing Wire and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we are gonna see a budget specific phone which has been launched just few days back. And yes guys, I'm talking about the gorgeous Infinix Hot 7 Pro. This is a power packed phone, awesome spec sheet, but it is a really budget specific phone. It is under the sub 10k segment, based on some entertainment focused areas this time, along with great camera specs, and overall the design and looks are also stunning. So let's get started with the video. We'll see a very quick look of the all new Infinix Hot 7 Pro here. So guys, blue and black are the two colors which have been launched. Currently we have the aqua blue color. This is how the box packaging look like, and we have some gorgeous features, highlights of the phone, which is a AI quad camera and a notch display, big notch display, 4000 mAh of battery along with a MediaTek processor, and face unlock plus fingerprint sensor, both with a latest XOS 5.0 along with Android 9 Pie. So some nice features written on the back of the box. Let's just open it. So on the top you have the Infinix Hot 7 Pro. Let's just keep the device on one side for some time and see what all we have in the box. So firstly, there's a micro USB charging cable. Then there is a 5 volts 2 ampere charger. Then some paperwork, user manual and the warranty card and all. Then there are two more products here, which is a really nice quality of a translucent hardbound back cover along with a screen guard. So that's it in the box. So guys, the phone is all set and ready now. The first look is really nice. The screen looks quite sharp, vibrant, bright. Let's talk about the back first. So this is a metal unibody design, so that's also one good feature which Infinix has come up with, because the generally in this price segment we see plastic body phones, but this is a metal unibody. Then talking about the right side, here's the power button and the volume rocker. On the left there is a SIM tray slot. So if you open it and see, this is a triple SIM tray slot, again a win-win here, because you get a dedicated SD card slot. Also, if you're not satisfied with the 64, you can extend it more with a SD card. Then at the top there is nothing. Here's the earpiece. At the bottom there's a speaker grill, a micro USB charging port, a 3.5mm audio jack, and the mouthpiece. So talking about the screen, it is a nice immersive display kind of a screen, but it has a bigger notch because it has a quad camera setup. So in front you have two cameras, back you have two cameras, a 6.19 inches HD plus screen, notch display. And overall the design of the phone is really handy. It you can easily work with single-handedly, and the backside is really nice and tapered to give you a good grip of the phone. The body is quite sleek and 2.5D curved glass here. The processor is a 2 GHz octa-core MediaTek Helio P22 processor, with which you can do a lot of multitasking. Also, it will help you in everything related to AI and all. It can support it easily. You can play all high-end gaming as well. And the battery is also decent. It's a 4000 mAh of battery, which will run up to 2 days on an average usage. And Android P is there, XOS latest version 5.0 Cheetah version is in this. Then as I told you, this phone has both fingerprint sensor and the face unlock. The security wise, the phone is really nice. Let's just quickly check this one. So I've set my fingerprint. It works quite well, and face unlock is very quick. So when such affordable segment phones launch, good premium features like face unlock and all, I feel really nice. So I tested in the first look only. Then let's jump to the camera part. This is how the camera launcher looks like. Although I find the shutter speed a little slow, but overall the camera has all AI packed features, and all the modes like video, AI, beauty, bouquet, AR shots work really well, very nice and quirky AR shots you can do. And you can click bouquet shots from both the sides of the phone, because on both the sides you have a depth sensor. And also, as I missed to tell you, was in the front camera inside the notch, 13 plus 2 megapixel of front camera, you have a LED flash. That means at the night also you can click really good selfies. So you have all the modes and auto scene detection as well: AI portrait, AI HDR, AI beauty, night. And coming to the front camera, you can click good bouquet shots, but I tried some shots in which the hair strands got blurred and all. So this is one shot in which you can see the details it is capturing. And as I told you, selfies are really coming out well. Overall, if you talk about the phone, it's a nice phone with some great spec sheet, and made for the young generation who want a great camera with a good battery life. And the looks are also very nice. The blue color of this phone is superb. So with all these good features, it has been launched at a price range of just 9999, already started to sell on Flipkart. If you like this phone, go and check it on Flipkart. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Nothing Wire. Thank you and bye.